What's up, guys? Hi, and welcome to Omelet Week, day 6. Omelet Week is where we cook one French omelet per day in hopes of learning and leveling up our omelet cooking game. Unfortunately, yesterday was a complete debacle, day 5. I woke up in a cold sweat during the night, tossing and turning. I was tormented by those awful omelets from yesterday. I looked outside this morning and I did check twice, but the sun did rise. So in day 6, what we're going to do is try and fix all the problems we ran into yesterday. And I have a paper towel full of notes of things to go through. So let's jump in and get started there. First, I used clarified butter. I did not like that. I'm going back to regular butter. I enjoy the bubbles in the regular butter, giving me an indication of pan temperature and when to add my eggs. And for me, I think that's easier. I know some people like the clarified. Someone wrote in and said, when you clarify butter, not only do you get rid of the water and the milk solids, it also changes some sort of emulsifiers in there that make eggs a little more sticky. That sounds scientific, and I can't verify that, but it sounds reasonable to me, so I am going back to regular butter. Egg temperature. Today, for today's omelets, I am microwaving my eggs for a few seconds, and what this does is kind of take the chill off. I've been trying to go with eggs in the 70 to 75 degree range, and I don't think it matters to the degree, but in that range, that is not 34 degrees, the temperature of my refrigerator when they first come out. So if you cook very cold, almost frozen eggs, I think those are much more likely to stick and grab a pan. If you're in a hurry, what you can do, of course, you can just let your eggs warm up on the counter, but if you're in a hurry, you can stick them in a bowl of warm water. Or what I'm doing today is just microwaving them for a few seconds. I'm starting at 10 seconds and going up in increments of 5 seconds, and about 15 seconds work for mine. Don't put yours in for 45 seconds. Part of the eggs are going to be cooked and it's going to be a disaster. So if you try it, start with 10 seconds and go up 5 seconds each time from there until you get your eggs warmed up. And that does seem to help. Pan shape. I've been using both regular carbon steels and these omelet pan carbon steels. And if you can tell, the omelet pan is a little shallower and it has a rounded edge. I think the omelet pans are good for, I guess I should say, the traditional style French omelet, where you see people shaking the pan, starting with a fork, turning the pan up and rolling those up with a fork. For these roulettes that we're trying to make, where we're trying to not use any utensils and we are flipping and trying to roll the omelet that way, I think I like the more vertical sidewall of the regular style pans a little bit better for those. So for tomorrow's omelets, we are going to go back to the regular pan. Now, speaking of pans, this is the pan from day 5 that had the debacle omelets in it. I said I was going to reseason it. I did not reseason it. All I did was give it a good wash, and then I rubbed it with a little bit of coarse kosher salt and wiped it out. And what I want to do today is show that the problems were not with the pan. The problems were A, with the cook, as usual, but B, trying to match this pan up with an intense French omelet on a flat top. And it goes for the inductions as well. So what we're going to do today is use the exact same pan, haven't messed with the seasoning, and we're going to show that you can get a nonstick French omelet in this pan on an electric if you go with the lower and slower, calmer, I almost call them egg roll-up methods. And you'll see this online a lot. I think Chef John has done this method. I've done it. Lots of people use this method when they use nonstick skillets. And here just showing one of those in my wife's nonstick skillet, which I refuse to use after cooking that omelet. We are going traditional here, but you get your pan warmed up, and I'm going with about 275 degrees, so significantly cooler than the 325 we were using a couple of days ago. Adding my butter, adding my microwaved eggs, and I am calmly letting this omelet set up. Smoothing the eggs out a little bit around the top, giving it a little bit of a shake, and you can tell the entire omelet is already non-stick, so we're doing well there. But importantly here, we are not shaking and flipping these eggs, and we are keeping them off the sidewalls. And that is the whole problem with these pans on the flat top stoves. The sides of the pan have been averaging right around 100 degrees cooler than the cooking surface. So the inductions, the electrics, fantastic job heating the cooking surface. It is tough to get that heat evenly distributed up the sides of the pans. And you can obviously adjust your cooking time for how wet or dry you like your omelet. Then turning this guy up, using the spatula, rolling him up, folding him over, and a halfway decent omelet. This one had a little bit of browning, so I had to get in there and make one more. Same procedure, this time with 3 eggs. And what I want to show on this one, I wanted to point out that I did move the pan just a little and shake the eggs just a little bit. The entire thing is non-stick until some of those liquid eggs hit that relatively cooler sidewall of the pan, and they immediately stuck and tore the omelet just a little bit. So I had to fix that. Then got that guy rolled up, got him plated, add a little butter to the surface. And thank goodness after the debacle of day 5, we are back in business. Now tomorrow is day 7, the grand finale of Omelet Week. And what we're gonna do is try and pull together everything we've learned and make a perfect French omelet. How is that going to go? I don't know yet, but I have tracked down some herbs, some fine herbs. So we'll try an omelet fine herb. I tracked down some French butter, and we will see what happens. If you're enjoying this video, make sure you like and subscribe, and tune in tomorrow for the grand finale of Omelet Week.